Welcome to Slovenia. This tiny alpine country is an undiscovered gem. The rugged Julian Alps are a hiker's paradise and a haven for nature lovers. Slovenia is where the Alps meet the Adriatic. It's home to just 2 million people in a country smaller than Vermont. It's the most densely forested of all the alpine countries, so walking in Slovenia begins on a shaded cushion of pine needles in a fragrant forest. You'll walk through meadows where alpine farmers take their cows to graze on rich grasses and wildflowers. Then you'll break out above timberline and enter the realm of the marmots. And then, before you know it, you reach the rocky ridgelines and Alpine Wilderness where only the Ibex roam.
One of my favorite days on the route was hiking up and you cross a ridge and there was a whole clan of Ibex on the trail, which was just stunning to look at it. I've never seen anything like it.
We center our adventure in the Julian Alps. These steep-sided mountains are known for their well-crafted hiking trails, as well as for their biodiversity. Here you'll find an abundance of rare wildflowers, including many lilies and orchids, which you'll find nowhere else. But one thing you won't find is crowds. You'll love the peace and solitude here.
Do you hear that? This. Quiet. You know, because we are so stressed in our lives and the noise around us in our daily lives. When somebody wants to escape, the mountains are just the perfect area where somebody can find peace. So my name is Urban. I'm from Slovenia, actually. I was born here. Part of my job, part of what I do for a living, is guiding people to the mountains, because it's one of the best offices that one can desire. I mean, just look at this. This is my daily office. I breathe fresh air. I'm meeting nice people like you and doing what I love, and that's, I think, what's the most important thing. Doing what you love.
We stay on Lake Bled, one of the most beautiful mountain resorts imaginable. It's a fairy tale setting, overseen by an 11th century Romanesque castle. In the center of Lake Bled, you'll visit an island with a church that rises above the shimmering water. In the Socha Valley, waterfalls burst from natural springs in karst caves. In the dazzling emerald green waters of the Socha River, you'll enjoy whitewater rafting, kayaking, and other water sports. Slovenia is the only country with love in its name. So if you love hiking, love forests, love mountains, and love glistening alpine lakes, then you'll love Slovenia. Hey, thanks for watching the video. We'd love to have you join us in Slovenia. If you want to see more great Alpenwild videos, just click and subscribe below. See you in the Alps.